Hello, I'm Nikki Eisenhower, and I'm here with another monthly mantra. I'm trying to get them earlier in the month, but it's practice, not perfection. So I'm working on it, and I hope you resonate with the mantra that I'm offering today. One of the ways that we have the most power in terms of self care and growth is in the stories that we tell ourselves. And one of the things that I see a lot of HSPs do, I've certainly done it, is that when I'm feeling low or sad or disappointed, or someone has hurt me, or I've fallen in a hole that I thought I was past and didn't want to fall into again, whatever the struggle is, when we're really in our struggling, when we're really in our struggling feelings, what happens is that we don't just know how to sit there and feel it, and we feel those feelings, and because we don't like those feelings, we run to our heads and we create these stories. Okay, so part of the practice in healing and in growth is being able to embody this mantra: I feel and I am whole. And what we're doing there is we're letting go of this old script that says, oh no, if I am feeling all these shitty things that I don't want to feel, I don't like feeling these things, then I need to do something and I need to change it. And I'm so broken. Why am I so messed up? Why am I still dealing with these things? I've done enough healing. I shouldn't be feeling this. And we create these stories that are down on ourselves, that are dismissive of all of our work and all of our growth, all because of what we're feeling in any given moment or hour or day. We are learning to let go of the brokenness and to hold ourselves as whole, full, worthy beings. So no matter what I'm feeling, not just the good stuff, but the hard stuff, I feel and I am whole. I feel and I am whole. I feel and I am whole. I hope there's something that you can take from this. As always, change, tweak, morph. Please change it into whatever you need it to be and allow it to be simple. If you change this mantra, if you use this mantra, come find me on Instagram. Come say hello. Come tell me how you used it. We're all healing on this path. And I just want all of you to know that I'm not broken. You're not broken, even in the moments when we feel the most broken. And that's really part of the trick in taking care of ourselves as highly sensitive people. Because when we are in the depths, man, do we feel the depths. And so we want to let go of that brokenness story and support ourselves fully. I feel and I am whole. Light and love. I'll see y'all next month. Bye-bye.